How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch WhatsApp. Sign into your account. Proceed to three dots at top right and navigate to settings. Now choose profile picture at top left. Now choose camera icon to take a picture or choose from your photos. You will probably get three options like take photo, remove your profile picture, or photos or avatar. You can choose any one. And suppose if this is the picture I wanna set, you simply need to choose to the correct ratio and remove unnecessary section or part in order to upload your WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. And after that, tap on down button and bottom right. But before that, make sure it is the high resolution picture. Then you can see that we have set the WhatsApp profile picture. But before that, you simply need to choose storage and data and tap media upload quality to SD quality and tap on save button. Once you have done that, you will successfully change your WhatsApp profile picture without losing any quality. So I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.